again. 1, 2, 3, shoot. Go ahead. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Jump. Why she's so scared?
I'm gonna kick your mouth. I'm gonna kick your mouth.
You hard? Get out of the way. Some guy over here.
I'm gonna cut your move.
See, Emily? What's so scary about that?
It's awesome. Hey, you! Awesome! Hey, you! Just like this. I can do that.
All right.
Good job, Dave.
Oh, Emily. Oh, I have mercy, kids. Are you recording?
Yeah.
Why?
Why not?
Oh,
Hey!
Huh?
I'll be
awful on
outside.
David,
You sound awful.
Oh,
I'm gonna help you. I'll be right here.
me too. I'll save you.
Come on, right here. I'll pick you up.
Do it.
I'll pick you up. I'm right here. Look. You jump right here and I'll catch you. Put you over there. Come on. David, you can jump. Come on, get over here. You've done it before.
Promise?
You
I'll
promise?
help you, David. You think I'm gonna let you drown?
Go, Dave.
Come on. Come over here. You got it, boy. Rock, paper, scissors. Go. I got you. Get out of here. Stand up. I told you I'm gonna hit. I'm gonna hit you. Do it again. You can. Emily, you ready?
No, I don't want to.
Why?
I don't want to.
All right, run and jump over there. It's fun when you run and jump.
Fun. Yeah, it is.
It is. It's not the same as standing there.
Watch, your boy, David. I know how to do it. Wait, watch me. Come
Well, Emily, run and jump.
It's awesome.
Away from the steps.
Move.
The kids are brave. Finally. What are you
Yeah.
doing, David?
We'll see how brave they are on Monday.
Is it Monday?
Yep.
4th of July week?
Yep.
I like keep on thinking the color week.
The
David,
first.
come to the beach again.
I'll be scary.
Come on, just how's it scary?
I'll jump with you.
Yeah, how about that? I'll be right here to grab you and pick you up. Come on. You can't be scared. Come on,
You
little.
gonna hold my hand? Yeah, I
You
will.
should do with my hand. Yeah, then I'm gonna pick you up. Come on.
Alright.
We're gonna have fun. What's so scary?
It's not scary.
Get out right here, bro. Right here. I'm right here. It really is good. Thank you. 1, 2, 3, go. Got you. Let go of me. I got you.
What?
Stand up.
Yeah.
David, you gotta jump in and do your dance.
Alright.
Do your dance before you jump in. No, over here. Do your dance.
My big handstand.
What was that? No dance.
He can do it without holding his own. Watch.
Do your dance first.
There, watch. And I can do this.
That is pretty impressive. Dude.
I
saw him that.
Did you really?
Right there, I taught you that? Without holding your nose?
don't know if he did. I don't remember.
He saved your life when you drowned.
Well, yeah. I remember that for sure.
Don't run me over.
Right.